My name is Flight Lieutenant Joe Sentence and I'm the training officer from the Airland Integration Cell, or RAF Coningsby. So the JTAC stands for Joint Terminal Attack Controller. The role of the JTAC is ultimately to be the conduit between the aircraft in the sky and to make sure that the munitions that come off that aircraft go in the right place at the right time on behalf of the ground command. I think it's very unique. We work in quite small teams, we work very closely with each other, and we're quite fortunate to sit in that area between both the land component and the air. It's brilliant to be able to work closely with the pilots from 12 Squadron here in Qatar, as well as other units in the UK. Outside of the professional element, I think it's brilliantly social and being able to go to various places around the world, experience different cultures like we are here in Qatar. So JTACs from the ALI cell at RAF Coningsby have deployed on exercise Fox Defender in support of 12 Squadron. Not only are we working closely with the JTACs from the Qatari forces, we're also embedded with the HQ, ensuring that 12 Squadron can develop and grow not only in their air-to-air role, but also in their air-to-ground role. It's great to work with the Qatari JTACs. Not only does it develop the skills from the JTACs from RAF Coningsby and the ALI cell, but it also allows our senior instructors to develop and mentor those individuals who have recently come out of their basic course attached to the Italian Air Force. It's brilliant to come out here and work with Qataris. I think we've learned things professionally, not only coming out here and being able to use their OPs. The terrain is so different to what we're used to in and around RAF Coningsby. At the same time, it's fantastic to come out and see a different culture and understand how they not only go about their working practices, but also what else they do in their spare time. And it's encouraging to see similarities in those individuals from the ALI cell, but also from the Qatari JTAC community too. I think the best part of exercise Fox Defender is coming out into the desert and being able to conduct our core role directly alongside those JTACs from the Qatari forces. It's great to see how they go about their business, not only professionally but personally as well. I think we've formed some strong bonds, and I think it's a partnership that will grow and continue not only into the World Cup year in 2022 but beyond as their Air Force grows too.